Di bagay sa mukha mo mag-iinarte, mas magaganda pa mga chimay ko sa Pinas. You know what? Bagay na bagay sa mukha mo maging halimbawa ng isang taong may masamang ugali. I truly love that I get a constant reminder of exactly why I make the kind of content that I do. Because for so long, we were told, hindi bagay sa'yo yan. Huwag ka mag-inarte. Kasi hindi bagay. Pag hindi bagay, ano pala? I feel sad for the people who work for you because they work for a person who does not see them as equals. I'm sorry that a woman with a voice makes you uncomfortable. Kid, my page isn't about whether it suits your taste. And if your chimais are prettier, that's amazing. Hype them up. But let's normalize doing that without tearing someone else down behind keyboards and phone screens. It would be so sad for them to be working for such a horrible piece of human being like you. So yeah, fair warning. You're gonna see more arte here. Mas marami pang hindi bagay. Pero ginawa ko pa rin kahit hindi mo bet. Kasi, I'm not here to be palatable, especially for you. So scroll ka na lang if it's not your vibe because the rest of us will be over here living the versions of ourselves that you are still clearly too scared to become. I hope you get the day you deserve.